What's up, Better Days? Today we're doing something really super special. Today we're on Center Hill Lake. This is Cane Hollow Recreation Area. I came out here 4 years ago and did this trip for you guys. There was no parking lots. There's 2 porta-johns. None of this was here. There's 2 pavilions. There's a grill to cook. This day use only, no camping. But they've decked this place out. It's a legit recreation area on the side of the lake, Center Hill Lake. And it's one of the nice ones. And it gives you a 2-mile paddle up to Burgess Falls. One of the most unbelievable waterfalls in Tennessee. Let's go see it. All right. As you come out of the recreation area, you just paddle straight across. There's a little cove to your right, and the lake goes that way to the left. We want to go upstream, technically, towards Burgess Falls, which is on the Falling Water River. So you want to come out and paddle just straight forward all the way across, and then take a right out into the channel. And then we're going to go 2 miles upstream. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Guys, we found this little cove. It's got this waterfall rushing over here. I got a frog on. I'm gonna do a little frog, and there we go. There's 2 waterfalls in here. There's multiple waterfalls in here. All of this rock wall was carved out by this flowing waterfall here. And as it carves the rock, it slowly moves its way back up the landscape into the forest. Tennessee, stunningly beautiful. This thing is unbelievable. It just keeps going up, up, up. I can't even get it all in the frame. I gotta back out a little bit. It goes way up there. Wasn't it just totally unbelievably cool waterfall? So cool. Got this forest here. Can't see the forest for the trees. Boy, we are in the trees. There's a shagbark hickory tree. Oh, elm tree. Bunch of different hardwoods in here. But these are all being reclaimed by the lake. These won't be here 10, 15 years from now, but their stumps will be. And this will just be some crazy fishing. Look at this, it's awesome. Wonder how many crappie are in here. You're flowing away from the waterfall. All day long, we're out here chasing waterfalls. So you do have to paddle all the way up. And I mean, we're doing all these side excursions. If you do all these side excursions, it's going to take all day. But it's a legit 2 miles. And there's another waterfall. So you just got to come out here. You got to check this place out. God, look how far up this waterfall goes. This is insane. D, you got to get under this waterfall. It comes out of the deepest, darkest part of the forest up there. Oh, wow. It turns around the other way after we leave, and it blows in our face the whole way back. All right, we're here in the canyon. We gotta make this hard left and then a straightaway with a hard right. And then we're there. But man, it's hard paddling because this current is flowing today. So why did we come today if it's gonna be a hard paddle? Because the flow is better and the falls are crazier. All right, this is it. We're going up to the falls. What an epic day. I can already feel the water spraying on my face. I've taken my glasses off. You guys are gonna get soaked. I'll try to remember to wipe you off, but it's just gonna be crazy. Oh man, I can't even see. I need sunglasses or something. Oh my gosh. Boy, she's flowing. They call her the queen. She is the queen. There it goes. We're getting wet. There ain't no stopping it. She's getting us. Oh, wow. What do you think, guys? Oh, it's tough. She's got some current ripping off of her. I'm sure you could imagine. All right, giddy up. Oh, wow. I've got my phone in my pocket. I gotta be careful. This is wild. All right, I think if we go in the trees, we'll be better off. It looks really strong current in the channel there where that kayak is directly in front of us. So what we're gonna do is go up through these trees. We're gonna get close. Okay. This thing is insane. Let's tuck in right here. I see a spot right here. Look at here. Right here. Zip, zip, zip. Zip, zip, zip. We're in here. Oh, we're getting wet, but we're in here. Pull your kayak up, matey, and don't let it float away from the waterfall. Yar! This is insane. Yep, we're the closest people to the waterfall. This is what I wanted to do on Memorial Day. The wind is strong. Oh, it's trying to take my head off. Whew. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Incredible. I can't keep the camera lens clean any longer. It's just gonna be wet. Everything I've got is gonna be wet. Oh man, look at it going up the hillside. Oh my gosh! Wow! It's epic! Whoa! Out there in the center of the current, going to get him some. Hey! Don't go that way, there's a log. Look, I went up there, way up there on the corner. I went way up there. It was soaked me wet. I told you, Fall Creek Falls on crack. There's a state park up there. Right above us, there's people watching from a platform that's handicap accessible. Okay. At the state park. What a fun thing to do. What a fun place to kayak. Should be able to come out here for the next at least month, maybe 2, and get all the way up to the falls. It's just epic. Literally unbelievable. Middle Tennessee, Center Hill Lake, Burgess Falls, Cane Hollow Recreation Area. I tell people where to go fishing. If you like that kind of thing, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.